Okay, it started up. Hit the primer button a few times, 4 or 5 times, and do the safety lever. Real simple. I like to kind of like pull it slow once or twice. Starts real good. Blade's nice and sharp. And they have a wheel adjustment on here where you just do one adjustment right here and adjust both of these rear wheels. Same thing on the other side, just one handle and it adjusts both front wheels. That's kind of nice. Okay, here's the finished product. Actually took a little bit. I got a can of silver spray paint and I figured, what the hell? I just tapped the wheels with it a little bit. I mean, I spent about 10 seconds on each wheel, spraying it a little bit. Then I have a can of black. I did the handlebars a little bit, but everything else just soapy water. I mean, I could make this a little shinier, but I think that'll do. I think that makes it pop enough that people will be interested in even just clicking on it, looking at it. And I'm going to go ahead and post it on Facebook. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, gonna open up Facebook here real quick and go to Marketplace. I'm gonna sell, create listing, items. Now this is just gonna be a, I got a video. I'm gonna add that. I do believe it is this second one right here, and then for the main image here, I'm going to go, that'll be the first image people see, and then we'll do kind of a 180 oblique rear, and then we'll do from the looking down at the handlebars. You know, I think people like kind of looking down what they're going to see when they're mowing. And then there's a picture from the top side, and there's the left side more, and I think that's all. That's all the pictures I'm going to upload, and then with one video, 47 seconds long. The maximum is 1 minute that you can have on there. Okay. And so for the title, I'm just going to say it won't let me use the speaker if I'm recording the screen. So, yard machine. Lawnmower. Let's go to cap if you can. Just yard machine lawnmower. Okay. Simple. I don't know why it's putting that in there. Okay. Fine. Please let me just continue. Why is this not? Why is this doing this? Okay. Net price. And I'm going to do about 90. I think we get 90 out of this. And also I'm going to take out the parts. Okay. Get back down here. All right. Yard machine lawnmower. Category lawnmower. Alright, condition is used good, definitely. Wouldn't say it's like new, but I'll put in here recently. They usually dictate everything. Don't type much. Recently serviced. Just cleaned out the carburetor. Starts great, runs great. Let's see. Blade sharp. Okay, there's a new air filter on there. Looked pretty new to me. And then just like to have a little joke here. Makes grass greener than your neighbors. Okay. And you can put a little smiley face there or something like that. Just what I do. Okay. I meet up at 7:50 and it's South New Florissant Road 63031. Okay. It's a $1 parking lot. Nice public place. I think this gives people a warm and fuzzy. It should. It does for me. And I live around the corner, so they know I'm close. And this works pretty good, you know, when we're going back and forth with negotiating with people. When I know for sure that they're on their way to this address, I'll go ahead and give them my address. You know, when I know that they're on their way, they know how to use GPS, they don't want turn-by-turn directions, you know, I can go ahead and text them my address, and then they can come, and it's not even 1 minute away from this parking lot. So that's what I do, and you can do whatever you want. This works pretty good. Okay, so now I go delivery method. You know, you can offer, sometimes I offer like delivery, like $2 per mile from the address shown, an extra $2 per mile from that address to theirs, so then they can calculate that and figure out what extra it's going to cost them to get it delivered. You know, some people, they just don't have the vehicle to pick it up. It's one person, maybe it's a single lady or something, they can't carry this thing, pick it up, load it, unload it, that kind of thing. So I can offer that service, but it's going to cost a little extra. That's fine. So I'll do local pickup, door pickup, door drop off even. Okay. So I can offer that if somebody's on the fence. Sometimes, like I said, I put it in there. Now, here's a kind of cool thing. All these groups, you can go ahead and select these groups. You can join different groups, you know, read the rules, and join. And then when I blast this out, I mean, probably, you know, in all these groups, it's over 100-something thousand people that are going to be seeing this potentially. So it's pretty cool. Get down to some of these bigger numbers here, and definitely want to get, you know, more bang for your buck. You can do up to, I got 15 now, you can do up to 20 groups. And yeah, this is hitting a lot of groups. Okay, so I get that done, and I'm just about done, and hit publish. That's going out. When that little thing beeps, we know it's going to be live. So that's how you do it. And some people put like no holds, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, that's something. If you just don't want to, you know, mess with going back and forth with people, say whoever shows up first gets it. I just like working with one individual at a time, kind of feeling them out. They'll ask if it's still available, and the auto answer that you can press is, yes, are you still interested? And you can do that. And if there's consistent back and forth. I feel pretty confident that they're planning on being on the way. And when I asked them, hey, can you let me know when you're leaving? And then when they do, and I feel confident because they've done a good communication back and forth, I'll go ahead and give them my residence address, my own address, and they can come directly to me. And so then I have to load this up in my car or my truck and take it to them. Okay, that's about it. Now it's live, and I'll just be waiting for some contacts.